Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's dive into this with a simple question about your online safety. We all use search engines daily, but even the top results can be dangerous traps. This tactic is called SEO poisoning, and it's designed to trick you.
They use several tricks to make their fake sites appear legitimate in search results.
One wrong click can lead to malware, data theft, or even ransomware. Imagine a security checkpoint for your internet connection. That's DNS filtering. Think of it as a digital gatekeeper checking the address of every site you visit.
So, what's really interesting is seeing how this process works in action. Let's see how this one step completely changes the outcome.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core benefit of this technology. This is why DNS security is considered a vital layer of defense for any modern business. So the crucial point is that this is proactive, not reactive security. This leaves us with one final question to consider for your own security. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.